Hi, what is your name and what is your age?
My name is Belda and I am 20 years old.
20. She looks 18 actually in person. Okay. Hi. My question is, does Filipino people discriminate to this woman who's dating with a foreigner?
I don't know to others, but in my case, I have a lot of friends that has a foreign partners,
Yeah,
and
that's nice.
I don't discriminate them because that's their choice, and I see them happy being with their foreigner partners.
Okay. So, for example, you're dating with a foreigner. Would it bother you if you hear a lot of gossips from other people?
For me, no. It's because I'm kind of person that I don't care what people will tell about me, and I know what am I doing, and I don't care what they will say to me.
Very well said. Okay. Why do you think men cheat?
That's a good question.
Yes.
Because actually, I'm growing up with a broken family.
All right. I'm
Yeah,
sorry to hear that.
that's fine. And if men cheats to women, I don't know exactly why, but maybe they have their own reasons. And we cannot blame them why they cheat. And also, it's hard for the women, but it's I think there's something that misunderstanding to the relationship that they had. So maybe that's the reason why some people or some men cheats because they don't have kind of attention or reciprocation of love that they want to receive.
Nice. Okay. So why do you think women cheat?
Women cheat. Maybe they don't feel appreciated or feel respected because some of women really wants to have freedom. Some women really want to have some support on their ambitions because there's not all but some of men doesn't want women who go out a lot, but there's a lot of women that really wants to go outside and be some of them are adventurous, and not
Yes.
all men can understand that. So that's why.
Okay. So what is your biggest insecurity?
Before is that I have very not very big, like big insecurities is about my physical appearance.
Why?
It's just some people or my classmates before bullies me in my appearance, but
What's wrong with your parents?
like because of my my teeth or something, my I have a very black skin before.
Oh, okay.
And very curly hair.
Yeah.
Like yes, and they just give funny comments like that. But now I don't really care.
You overcome that.
Yes, and it had no effect on me.
Now,
There.
but before it affects you a lot.
Yes.
It's lower your self-esteem. So better not, don't bother with them because, you just want to down you. Yeah. Go on, okay. If you have a long distance relationship, would you consider your boyfriend to support you financially?
In that case, no.
Why?
Because as me as a person doesn't I don't want them to think that I'm depending on them. I really want to have a life so that we can share together.
Wow, okay, that's very nice. Thank you. Okay. If you're in a relationship, for example, or if you're married, it doesn't matter whether foreigners or Filipino, would you want to build your own house or you just want renting?
As a in my case, like I already grew up having a rented house, a rented room or
Okay.
house like
Okay.
that. I really want to have, maybe desire to have a house on my own.
Why? Why?
Because you can do whatever you want without thinking that you will, without limitation. It's because if you're rented, if I will be renting a house for, like, if I already have a family, it's not easy for me to do really for everything. Like, I don't, I don't want to limit on what I will want to my house look like that.
Yeah, okay, I say understand. Okay. Why do most Filipino couldn't save money for rainy days?
Maybe.
Yeah, why they couldn't save money? Why a lot of Filipinos couldn't save up money?
In that case, I don't know, but maybe because of it, if it's rainy days,
Yeah, it's like for emergency or when they need it the most.
they don't have.
Yeah, they cannot save. Why? Why most of the Filipinos cannot save their money?
Maybe because maybe because their income is not enough, and they just some there's some Filipinos that just renting, and they have a lot of families to feed, and there's high, like, what do you call this? I forgot the word. But yeah, because of necessities of a family, especially if you have a big family and you have a small income, it's not easy to save up.
Okay. So do you think it is a responsible attitude or just the culture here in the Philippines?
Maybe it's a culture, because for me, it's a mindset in everything.
Ah,
Like,
okay.
I believe that in every situation that we have, it's all about the mindset that we have. The reality that you are in aligns to your mindset. That's what I believe. That is why, even though you have this kind of reality that it's not that what you're thinking, but you are going there. If you just keep on thinking positive and hopeful.
Ah. So, what do you think the common reason why Filipino and foreigner broke up?
Oh, maybe I don't want to, because I have a lot of friends, kind of, there are foreigners. I don't have yet a relationship to foreigners, but I have a lot of friends. And they tell me their stories.
Yeah.
And some of them will told me that their Filipina girlfriends will broke them up for the reason that they are already used up. Like, they're done with them.
They're done with it.
Yeah.
In what terms? Like,
Like, for
being-
financially.
Oh, financially.
Yes. I have last year, I think I meet a foreign friend, and he said that he was engaged, a Filipina woman,
Mm.
and then he suddenly dumped because
Uh-huh.
I don't know exactly, but they are just talking about financial things.
Oh, so that is the common factors
Yeah.
of the breakup. Financial. Okay.
And maybe some of them is that there's foreign that foreign friend of mine is too, what do you call this?
Maybe it's really for you, girl.
No, it's
Okay.
no, it's not. Like,
Okay, okay.
he's too possessive, I think, like that,
Okay.
and he wants update always,
All
but the
right.
girl doesn't want to because maybe she isn't used to do that.
Okay.
Maybe their likes is not compatible.
Okay. Their point of views. Okay. Do you think foreigners like independent women?
Some maybe, but not. But what I met, what I observed before, like
Mm.
I think some. In my case, like I've met a lot of
Foreign friends.
parent
of yours.
friends with having a independent woman in their lives. They're okay with that.
They're okay with that. Okay. They are all.
Some of them. I don't know. I didn't meet
Okay.
all foreign
Alright.
and
Do you think it's foreigners' obligation to support the Filipino family?
no,
Why?
because foreign what foreign
Foreigner.
a foreigner rather.
Yeah.
Yes, it's her. I mean, it's the girl that
It's the girls.
she's.
So it's the girl who's he's responsible with,
Yeah.
and then
They are partners, but that doesn't mean that the foreigner is already obligated to support. They can help, but not totally supporting them to the point that they will ask to that foreigner to have some this and that and all.
okay. For example, you're with a foreigner. Would you like him to support your family?
If he wants to, that's good. But if he doesn't want to, that's fine with me.
I see. Okay. Which one you prefer today? A rich man or a poor man?
I cannot answer that, but I
Mhm.
really want a good man.
A good man. So it doesn't matter whether he's poor or rich.
Yeah.
Why?
Because in life, you can be rich,
Mm.
but eventually you can be poor.
Mm.
But a good man stays as he is.
Very nice. Nice wisdom, okay? Can you please give me or describe me what is your characteristics?
My character.
Yes.
People told me like I'm a jolly person. Like
Yeah, I can see that earlier. I noticed that.
I laugh a lot
Mhm.
and I see everything in good. Like I see everyone like they have really good in them. Like
You always find good to that person.
yes.
Okay. What else?
Um, I stick on what I want.
That's very nice. That's very nice. All right. Thank you. Thank you for being candid to Candid Filipina. Nice to
Yes.
chat with you. Thank
Thank
you.
you.